In this video, let's talk about the properties of sound. There are 4 properties of sound, and the first one we want to start with is pitch. Pitch is a musical term. We delineate pitch with notes, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the sharps and flats that go along with it. So, for this purpose, it works great for musicians because they're reading sheet music, they're determining, pitch on their instrument, right? But if we go over here into the tech world, it's not enough information. In the tech world, we think of frequency. Pitch is actually frequency. And frequency is delineated by using the word hertz. It's a cycle of sound. One cycle of sound that keeps you repeating in time is basically, we're talking about hertz. Hertz frequency, it's a term that was coined by German physicist Heinrich Hertz. In the world of frequency, this would be 1 CPS, or 1 cycle per second of sound, if we put this into a second, and it's also called 1 hertz, okay? So if we humans hear from 20 hertz, so if we compress 20 of those hertz into 1 second, we will get the frequency, a super low rumbling frequency, not easily to hear, more of a feeling frequency, but we hear from 20 hertz, HZ, a large uppercase H, lowercase z, that you'll see on the gear in the tech world, right? And so we hear from 20 hertz up to 20,000 hertz, or 20 kilohertz, 20 kHz. 20 kilohertz is so high that it's going to hurt a dog's ear, but most of us are going to lose that sort of hearing as we get older. We'll hear up to about 16, and if we're lucky. Many other types of animals hear much higher than humans. You know, in conclusion, pitch is the highness and the lowness of sound, right? So we're talking about, in the musical world, pitch is our usable term, vocabulary, and in the tech world, maybe it's live sound gig or maybe it's in the studio, we're going to talk about frequency, because frequency on the little knobs on the equalizer or on the mixer, you're going to see HZ. So you're going to need that information if you're going to be living in the tech world.